And one more time, just like this. Inhale in fully and exhale out fully. So wherever you end up is great. You can keep the palms on the ground or even grab the outer edge of your mat here. Inhale, we'll straighten the leg, point the toe, just do your best. Doesn't have to go all the way straight. Inhale, reach, exhale, bend. If it's available in your body, on the next inhale as you reach, you might draw the leg a little closer into your body, but you might not. Don't push it. And then exhale, bend. Again, inhale, reach. Exhale, bend. One more just like this. And you can stay here if this feels like enough, or we'll lift the left leg, bring it to that 90-degree position. As you gently draw the left thigh in towards the body, opening through the right hip. Palms can stay rooted on the ground for this move, or if it feels right in your body, interlace the fingertips, bring them behind the left thigh. All right, on your next round, you might point and reach and maybe draw the leg just a tad closer in. Don't push or force, just an option. And left palm comes to the left inner thigh for just a gentle touch point, like opening up through that left hip here using and you might just stay here if you're like, actually, this feels really good, I'm good here, or we'll interlace the fingertips behind the thigh as we lift the right foot. Did I mention gently? And maybe it feels good to squeeze that right knee up towards the chest just a bit. And then slowly release everything. We're going to come up to a seat now, so make your way up in a way that feels good for your body. And we're going to come with the spine nice tall, slowly bring the feet to the ground. Inhale at the center, then exhale to let the knees fall gracefully to the left. Let's hold here for a moment. Feel that internal rotation on the right side. You can use your elbows to give a little weight to the thighs here, opening the hips further. Take a big breath in through the nose, filling the belly, and a long breath out through the mouth. Inhale, drop the belly for cow pose. Exhale, round the spine for cat. Inhale, tailbone reaches up, chest reaches forward. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, chin to chest. Flex the right toes. Pull the right hip back slightly. If you need more space, you can always bring your hands to blocks here. Now slowly step the left foot forward between the hands. Check that the left knee is right over the ankle. Exhale, hand to the mat. Send the hips back, straighten the left leg. Inhale forward into the lunge. Exhale back into the half split. You can stay here or maybe roll onto the outer edge of that left foot, letting the knee fall open. Step the left foot back. Now step the right foot wide to the edge of the mat. Let the forehead rest heavy on the mat. Breathe into the back body and the hips. See you next time, everyone. Take care of those hips. Wait. While we're here, let's just take a gentle neck roll to the left. Let's take some big circles with the hips, moving clockwise. And now reverse the direction, taking those circles the other way. Tuck the toes under and sit back for a quick toe stretch. This helps the whole chain up to the hips. Roll over to your favorite side and just pause there for a second. Take this feeling of space and mobility with you as you move off your mat today. Inhale, reach the arms up high, palms touch. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel and join our community. If you want a bit more, reach the arms up and take a tiny back bend. Slide your right knee out to the side at a 90-degree angle. Now switch, bring the right leg back and slide the inner thigh melt into the mat. Push back through child's pose for just a breath, then meet me in a seat. And over to the right. Lengthen through the crown of the head as you twist. You did a great job today. Keep moving, keep breathing, and I'll see you soon. Let's just take some circles with the upper body, stirring the pot in the hip sockets. Switching directions, feeling the weight shift across the sit bones. Send your breath to your lower back and the outer edges of your hips. Slowly come back up and switch the cross of your legs, putting the other shin in front. Open the legs wide, reach your right arm over to the left leg. You might find a little rock from side to side here, finding some space in the groins. On your next exhale, lift the hips high, coming into a wide-legged forward fold. Make sure you have a little micro bend in the knees so you aren't locking out. And switch directions, keeping the knees nice and soft. Cradle your right leg like a little baby and just rock it gently side to side. You can stay upright or walk the hands forward for a deeper sensation. Switch the legs now, left shin on the bottom, right shin on top. Let's just windshield wiper the knees back and forth to release. Reach for the feet for happy baby. Pull the knees down toward the armpits.